Eminyeto kurengo muri Ghana ehendiro kutende kw'emyoga kanda babashomere by'umukono nko kukora ebitambara, okubazira, okuteeka ebyakanyabwenge kandi abandi bahirwa obukugu bw'okukora omu oil and gas.
We have been equipped with skills which are not only stopping here on your certificate, but the skills are in your heads. They are in your hands. The skills are in your heart. The head, hands, and the heart. These skills should enable you to transform your lives.
We want to see you out there and everybody say those are the job created.
Tunataka tutakapowaona kule nje kila mtu aweze kusema ule mtu munaona ni mtu mwenye iko na tafuta kutia fasi kazi fulani.
Let your work feed your children.
Ehureji ebirenesha gikwa kitongore cha Mastercard Foundation kandi batendekere minyeto yo naho bucweka nshanjwe hariga na burugiro mu mpunji nuko 30 hariga na bukarugumbanya Uganda.
Abantu abatene mirimo ati bano baje kufunga emirimo usangi bari ni bekora banenda natungane cyokurya natunga
Uni's ICT tulisema like 3 topics: Microsoft Word, Excel, Adobe, Photoshop. Ngubu ibyo kora muri studio ni karamwenzi kato studio aside ankole farmers.
Na nashukuru Mungu kuangalia ngisi tunafikisha muda mzuri kama na huyu. Tunamaliza vizuri masomo yetu. Hii kumaliza masomo yetu tunashukuru kuangalia ngisi walimu watukamata vizuri, wanatupatia elimu nzuri.
Gasha kwanza na twine